to my channel. My name is Sarah and you may be able to tell what my channel is all about. It's about handbags, which I happen to think are the best thing in the world. So if you love handbags as much as I do, then I would love it if you would subscribe, and you can also leave me a little comment down below so we can have little chats all about our favourite things, handbags. Today's video is a review, some mod shots of the newest purchase of the Coach Tabby Pillow Bag. I'll be talking you through my thoughts, my review of this bag, and I'll be doing a few little mod shots as well. I have seen this bag, I've watched reviews on this bag and I liked it, but I wasn't really that interested until I saw that they did the candied orange version. I love the orange. I actually haven't got an orange bag in my collection, so that was the one that I really wanted to purchase. I saw a fantastic deal on one, but thought about it too long and completely missed out, and now it is sold out. To make sure that it is actually the bag that I want, I thought if I order one direct from Coach, so it's easy to send it back, I can just try it out first. If I like it, then great, this can go back and I can keep on hunting for the orange. If I don't like this bag, send it back. I can get the orange one out of my head and then move on to if there's anything else I have in my mind that I like. First impressions of this bag when I took it out the box, I wasn't super impressed, but to be honest, I think it was more the colour that made me not super in love with it. It is a nice pink, but it's not the kind of pink that I thought it was going to be. It's definitely a little bit more nude, a little darker than I thought, even a salmony pink you may describe it as. The great things about this bag are obviously it's very trendy at the moment. There's quite a few videos on YouTube that I have watched. It is quite casual, which is generally what I like. The leather, obviously, as always with Coach, it is super soft and buttery, perhaps a little bit too soft and buttery. I'm not sure how long it will actually stay this puffy. I've had it about a week. I haven't taken the label off or anything like that because obviously this will be being returned. I've played about with it a little bit with like changing the straps on it, but you can see that it does start wrinkling and getting indentation straight away. So I don't know how long it will stay puffy because of how soft the leather is. I think it will start wrinkling and showing wear quite quickly. Obviously this is my first impressions on how I can feel the material and how I can see it, you know, already starting to get these wrinkles. It's not to say that it will. Obviously I'm not going to keep this bag, so I won't know, but perhaps if I get the orange one, then we'll see then if it does actually wrinkle as much as I think it's going to. So let's move on to the options that you have to carry this bag. So obviously the first one is this top handle, like that. Now I can see where Coach are going with this. It's obviously a baguette style, and who doesn't love a good baguette? It's beautiful, I love it. But this one, personally, I don't think works with this handle. It's fine if you hold it handheld like that, but as soon as you put it under your arm, let me just lower the camera a little bit. So as soon as you put it on your arm, it's very chunky. So that to me just looks a little bit weird, and your arm is kind of very far away. Generally on my baguettes I kind of push them back like that, but even that, you just have this big gap here and it sticks out, and I just don't think it looks that cute, to be honest. So top handle, carrying it like that, yeah, Under the arm, it's a definite no from me. I do not like it using this little top handle at all. This is the bag crossbody, which I very much prefer. I think it looks so much better. It looks super cool and casual. I actually really like it like this as opposed to the top handle. So if I were to either keep this one or have the orange one, I probably wouldn't use the top handle. It would literally just be using this crossbody strap. It's a little bit bulky, obviously, because of the thickness of it, the puffy pillow style. But I mean, it's not heavy or anything like that, so you'd probably get used to it after a little bit. So that's it as a crossbody. After experimenting with this bag for a little bit, with the top handle, with the crossbody, I definitely realised that I did prefer the crossbody strap and probably wouldn't use the top handle. But it's a shame when it looks so much like a baguette, it's that kind of style, and I do really like the baguette style. Then I thought there must be some other way. Now, on other YouTube videos, on Instagram, I've seen a lot of people adding a chain strap. So I thought, let's give that a go. Now, if you've watched one of my latest videos, which is a ZARA bag haul, I did get a super chunky gold chain from one of the bags. And here we are. And personally, I think it looks way better. I really wish that Coach had have done this. I really wish that they had added a chain strap and then still giving you the crossbody. It would have been so much better than that top handle. So much better. And because this is a little bit longer, let me just move you down. I mean, look how much better that looks. Yes, it still sticks out a little bit when you push it out, but I don't think it looks that bad because it's longer. And even because it's not right up here, it's a little bit further down. Your arm isn't quite like that. I think this is so much better, and if I did manage to get the orange one, this would be how I would wear it majority of the time. I wouldn't even bother with the crossbody. It would always be with this chain. I love it. Generally, my thoughts on this bag are, if you really like it, then you go for it. It is priced really well, considering it's all leather. You've got a choice of 2 different straps. I mean, you can also add others if you want to. And in the UK, obviously, it's £495, and a lot of the time on Coach, even new releases like this, you can get a discount. If you can get a discount, and if there's a colour that you really want, then just go for it. Don't hang around like I did, because you'll probably lose out, and I don't even know if the orange one is going to ever come back into stock. I'm not sure. So that was my fault. I was too slow thinking about it, and I should have just pulled the trigger and got it straight away. To be honest, the more I'm playing around with it, the more I'm liking it, and even the fact that it's the pink colour, and I didn't really want the pink colour, I do really like it. So that was my thoughts on this bag. I hope that it maybe helped in your decision if you're thinking about getting this bag, and obviously make sure you get the colour that you really want if you see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you again soon. Bye.